Hello everyone, you are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can use ChatGPT to write ebook. How we can use ChatGPT to write ebook. In case this is your first time of watching or seeing this channel, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share for more amazing videos. So what we first have to do is to log in into ChatGPT. If you have not watched my previous video on how to create free account on ChatGPT, check the description to watch the video. Alright, so what we are going to do for today is to use ChatGPT to write ebook. In less than 5 minutes, we are going to use ChatGPT to write a sales book. Yes, you can monetize this book from here. Alright, so let's say I want to write an ebook on copywriting. Yeah, you can use to write ebook on your business, health, fitness, anything. Alright, so I want to use this ChatGPT to write ebook on copywriting. Alright, so what I'll do is to type in this space. Okay, so let me say in 10 chapters, write an Amazon starter ebook on copywriting. All right, so let's say I wanna write ebook on copywriting using ChatGPT. All right, so I said in 10 chapters, write an ebook. Write an Amazon starter ebook on copywriting. Then you click here. All right, let me click there and let's see what will happen. All right, so this is chapter 1. Chapter 1 is about introducing copywriting. Yes, introducing copywriting. Chapter 2 is understanding the headline. Yes, you see it's very simple. Now you don't have to work hard, just be smart. You can write this ebook and monetize it. Yes, all right, so ChatGPT is going to generate 10 chapters for me. Now this is chapter 9. Yes, now this is chapter 10. Yes, so that is that. Now ChatGPT have successfully generated the 10 chapters. Yes, so let me come here and let's say in 200 words. In 200 words, explain chapter 1. All right, so I want ChatGPT to explain chapter 1. So let's see chapter 1. 200 words, explain chapter 1. Then you click here. All right, so chapter 1 was ChatGPT was introducing copywriting. All right, so let's see what ChatGPT is going to write about chapter 1. All right, so you can use ChatGPT to write ebook on fitness, health, business, anything you can use to write. You can use ChatGPT to write ebook. All right, so before that, let's go to chapter 1. This is chapter 1. Chapter 1, yeah, introduction to copywriting. Right, so let's see the explanation of chapter 1. This is the explanation of chapter 1. So now you don't have to work hard, just be smart. All right, so in 200 words, explain chapter 1. All right, so introduce the concept of copywriting and it's important, right? So it depends on the word that you want to use on the various chapters. You can choose to use in 200 words, in 300 words, explain chapter 1, in 500 words. So it depends on you. All right, so let's say now you are successfully done for the chapter 1. Yes, because I choose only 200 words. All right, so let me go to chapter 2. In 300, let me make it 300 words. Explain chapter 2. All right, then you click here. Yes, enter there. All right, so now you see ChatGPT is going to generate everything about chapter 2. Yes. All right, so it continues like that. All right, guys, so it continues like that. ChatGPT is really doing amazing. So in case this is your first time of watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. Yes, in my next video I'll make a tutorial on how you can use ChatGPT on your WhatsApp. Imagine using this ChatGPT on your WhatsApp. All right, so that is that. So now ChatGPT has successfully explained in 300 words from chapter 2. So as I said earlier, you can choose to use in 500 words, in 600 words, depending on the number of pages you want. All right, so this is chapter 2. All right, so in 400 words, explain chapter 3. Alright, so this, yeah, it explains chapter 3. Right, so ChatGPT is doing amazing work. So this is chapter 3. This is chapter 3. So now you don't have to work hard like going to do a lot of things. Just come to ChatGPT. Know how you start writing your ebook. Know how you put it in form. Yes, ChatGPT is going to generate everything for you without stress. Just copy, then you paste. Just copy, then you paste. So this is how we write ebook using ChatGPT. It doesn't matter the niche of your business. You can use ChatGPT. If it's health, fitness, business, anything, you can use ChatGPT to write your ebook. Yes. In case it's your first time of watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share for more amazing videos. As I said earlier, before you can do this. So this is step-by-step video on how you can create your ebook using ChatGPT. In my next video, I'll make a tutorial on how you can incorporate ChatGPT with your WhatsApp. Imagine using this ChatGPT with your WhatsApp. Imagine ChatGPT is responding to your WhatsApp message. Imagine the rates you are going to get in your business and sales. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. If this comment and share, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you in my next tutorial.